Salsa choreography, JALA JALA. Part 9. The Tango trick. Starting this lift facing the audience, then I will go to the side, change the hand, open to the side, then she will lift her left leg. I will wait, and then when she lifts the leg, I'll step forwards, then connect to her back, then stepping with the right, opening with the left while lowering my body, rotating on the left, stepping on the right, opening again, releasing my right hand, connecting to her upper arm, now elbow up, giving her support with the upper arm, transitioning the weight to the right, now helping her going upwards, changing the weight, and performing a left turn. Now let's watch it again from the kick. She will kick with her left leg, then she will lower her left leg between my legs, and at the same time she will release her right leg off the floor. Now I'm supporting her, she's in the air, now gliding, touching the floor, now going upwards, slightly changing the height. Now I'm taking her right hand, placing it on my back so she can hold my waist for stability. Then she will lift her left leg upwards with her hand. Now she will pivot on her right leg, lowering her head, and with her left arm, she will hug my waist, releasing her right arm and land on my leg. From there, I will help her upwards, release the hand, and we will both turn to our left.